In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize inbox tabs in Gmail. If you're like most people, you probably get a lot of emails, and organizing them can be a bit of a hassle. Fortunately, Gmail offers a variety of ways to customize your inbox to better suit your needs, helping you prioritize and manage your emails more efficiently. By the end of this session, you'll know exactly how to tailor your Gmail inbox to your preferences, ensuring your most important messages always stand out. Let's get started by navigating to your Gmail account. Once you're logged in, look for the settings icon, which is typically represented by a gear symbol located in the upper right hand corner of your inbox. Clicking this icon will open a drop down menu that provides access to various settings options. Next, you'll notice an option labeled Density. This allows you to adjust the spacing of your email listings. You'll see three choices here: Comfortable, Compact, and Default. Click on Comfortable if you prefer a more spaced out view, which can be easier on the eyes and ideal if you have plenty of screen space. If you're working on a smaller screen or prefer a tighter, more condensed list of emails, select Compact. This reduces the spacing between items and allows you to see more emails at a glance, making it a great choice for a clutter-free viewing experience. Moving along, we come to Inbox Type. Clicking on this option will give you several different ways to organize how your emails appear. The first choice is Important First. This option brings emails that Google deems important to the very top of your inbox, based on criteria like who they're from or keywords in the messages. It's a nifty tool to help ensure critical emails never get overlooked. If you prefer to handle unread emails before anything else, then Unread First is your go-to configuration. Selecting this option will push all unread emails to the top, helping you quickly pinpoint messages that require your attention. Alternatively, if you frequently need to refer back to emails you've starred as important, choose Starred First. This arrangement makes sure those emails you've highlighted as significant are immediately visible. For those who like a more strategic approach, Priority Inbox offers another layer of organization. It segments the inbox into multiple sections, such as important and unread, starred, and everything else. It's like having several mini inboxes within your primary one. Finally, if you have specific needs for organizing your emails, you might be interested in multiple inboxes. This option allows you to set up different sections based on your own search queries, providing complete flexibility to design an inbox layout that works for you. And there you go, now you know how to customize your inbox tabs in Gmail. Adjust these settings until they fit your email handling style, and enjoy a more organized digital workspace. Happy emailing!